Hello, Sew Stars. Are you wondering what the sewing accessory is? Welcome to another learning series with House of Molake. Today, we will learn how to identify a thread tension dial. This particular dial is for the blackhead domestic sewing machine, and it is used to adjust the tension of your sewing thread, especially when you experience puckering or skipped stitches. Make sure you always consult your sewing machine manual to know the default and the best tension number for your machine setting. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.